Hello my friends, welcome to my channel where I make Affinity fun and easy to learn. In this video I'll be showing you how to create this nice vector effect that you see in flyers like this on social media. I'm going to show you how to create this inside of Affinity very easy with easy steps. If you've not subscribed, now is the best time to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos I'll be dropping anytime from now. Without having to say too much, let's get started. So as you can see, I have the sample of what we'll be creating. You can see the effect, right, on this beautiful flyer, right? Thumbs up to designer. Good job here. So first things first, go to your rectangle tool. I'm going to select the rectangle tool here, and I'm just going to be having the rectangle here. So I'm just going to draw my rectangle here. So click and drag like this, and I'm just going to turn this back so that I don't have noise. I'll be applying that later. I'm going to use a plain black, or let me use this instead. Right, as you can see, this is just an ordinary rectangle, so I can extend it just like this to make it wider. Okay, good. So that's the first thing. The next thing you need to do is get these rounded corners, and it's going to be on top alone, right? So how do we do this? Select these 2 points using the rounded corner tool and drag inside like this to create a round corner like this, right? So you have your corner like perfect, not too much, just the way it should be. The next thing you're going to do is go over to your rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here like this, but I'm going to change this color so we can differentiate between the two rectangles. I'm just going to select all the sides and make it a perfect round corner like this, right? And I'm just going to extend this to make it longer. That's basically what I'm going to be doing here. So the next thing I want to do is I want to Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to duplicate this, and I'm going to have this here like this. Now this next step is very important. Make sure you take notes. So I'm going to extend this rectangle. I'm going to select this. I'm holding down the shift key, and I'm also going to be selecting the rectangle itself, right? So select the 2 of them and hold down shift again, select the rectangle. You can see 3 of them is selected. If you look at the layers, 3 of them are selected. Click on your shape builder and make sure it's set to plus and add it like this. So when you click on your pick tool and you click the 2 of them, you can see, Ctrl+Z, just drag out. You can see I have made that cut inside here, but that's just the beginning, right? So the next thing you should do is you can delete that. Let's work with this. I'm going to hold down shift to make it smaller, Control and shift to make it smaller, and I'm going to bring it down so I can have a good space here. Make sure you have all of this turned on in your snapping so that you can have a good amount of snap. All right, so I'm just going to give this orange color, duplicate this and move this here, position this well here. Okay, so then we have, I'm going to make this black. Right, so the next thing we're going to do here is you can see that on this one here you have rounded corners on top, so we're going to make these edges rounded. So to do that, go over to your rounded corner tool, select the 2 places like this and make it round, right? So you can see this is tilted to the side, so hold down Command or Control and use your arrow key to move this. Hold down Control or Command, use your arrow key to move this to the left. I'm moving it 5 times. Do the same thing for this one too. I'm going to move it 5 times like this, right? Easy peasy. I'm going to select these 2 points and make a rounded corner like this using the corner tool. Hold down Control, select this and move this 5 times. The same thing to this one too, 5 times. And That's all you need to do, right? As you can see, we're good to go, right? So I'm just going to fill this up with the gradient. Press G on your keyboard to activate the gradient tool. So I'm just going to be going from a very dark black to a lighter black like this. And of course, to add the noise effects, what you should do is select this and come over, click on opacity, under color, click on opacity. It's going to bring up the noise. So add noise to it like this. And click back. You have this, right? So easy peasy. So you can add a gradient to this guy if you want it. But let's go ahead and create this. Now, to create this, the good news is you don't need to create it because you have a shape inside here already, right? So just click on it, hold down shift and draw out your shape. Easy peasy, no stress. So I'm just going to give it a color and I'm just going to add the gradient to it, G for gradients. And I'm going to drag like this and click on this point and make it red. And I'm just going to extend this outside here like this. And that's basically what I'm going to be doing. So you can copy effect style. So click on style picker, click on this style here. And what you can do is you can apply it here like this by clicking on all these ones. So you can see they have the same style. So you don't need to go ahead and create these things from the scratch. So with this one, you can decide to add a blur effect. So come here and click on motion blur, and you can add it like this, and you can change the rotation like this. When you're done, just click on the X, but I won't add this to mine. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to click delete, and you can add that to yours, and easy peasy. All right, this was very quick and fast forward. If you've learned something tangible from this video, make sure you don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and please share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you're watching my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Support my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.